my name is Nana, aka Onigirinana, and today I am going to show you how to do this orange graphic liner Dorito vibe. I gotta say, in the beginning, it started off a little rocky, not gonna lie. But in the end, we really created this wonderful, beautiful, Inferno type vibe. Full disclosure, this is not a sponsored video, though I did use majority of City Color Cosmetics, so thank you so much for the PR. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then let's get started. Alright, to start off this look, we are going to be using the City Color canvas base in the shade Inferno. Why is it called Inferno? When I think of Inferno, I think of red. What does Inferno mean? I'm gonna go ahead and use this as a base, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the back of my hand. We're also gonna be adding some yellow for Canary because I'm dissatisfied with the orange shade that I've created. Ew, it's coming out like mustard. I'm gonna use a little bit of the product, and I'm going to build up the pigment slowly but surely. So I'm gonna go ahead and lightly on the lid. So if you're heavy-handed like me, this is a lesson, right? So if you're heavy-handed like me and it gets everywhere, start with a little bit of pigment and slowly build up because there is leftover product on the brush. I'm gonna go ahead and angle that pigment slightly as well. I'm gonna bring it pretty high up because I'm extra. I'm gonna go ahead and try to teardrop it, you know? Is it a teardrop shape? What shape is that? We're gonna leave it like that for a little. I don't want to like go too heavy into it, so we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye. That looks fine, right? I don't want to do too much, right? You know? Next, I'm going in with the Abstract palette by City Color Cosmetics. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the shade Tenderness and apply all over the lid. Oh, I got like a fire flame going on. Ooh, okay, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the shade Skills, and we're just gonna be using this as the middle shade, which is probably the same shade as the freaking base we put down. We're gonna go ahead and dip into the shade Rembrandt for the outer part of the eye. We're just deepening the edge of this. Okay, this is really pretty. Next, we're going in with the City Color canvas base in the shade Canary. I'll go ahead and just like stamp it under the eye. Yeah, we just wanted to put a base down so it doesn't have to be the most gorgeous thing you've ever seen. It'll all come together in the end. Yeah? We just needed like to brighten up the under eye just a tad bit. And then we're gonna go ahead and set it with the shade Caution. Under eye really quick, and then we'll diffuse the color, of course. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and slightly add. We're gonna do a lot of like eyeliner work under the eye, so I'm not that concerned about how it looks, but we're gonna go ahead and dip into the shade Cyber. Dip into the shade. Dip into the dip. I'm just gonna go ahead and place on the inner corner. That's so pretty. What the? Oh. I'm gonna dip into the shade Parallel and put it in the middle of the lid. So this is more orangey. I'm just like using that as transition. I'm gonna go ahead and use the same eyeshadow shades that I used on the top to kind of like carve out the bottom lash line as well. Place a little bit, you know, we're needing a little bit of dimension. I got it in my eye. Next, for eyeliner, we are going to be using the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Liquid Liner. This has been my new fave lately in lieu of the NYX Epic Ink because while it is a more drier formula, I'd rather have that than it bleed everywhere in my freaking eyeballs. So we're gonna go ahead and draw a line, tracing the eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna bring it up almost to the outer edge, but usually I mess up my liner, so we're gonna start a little small. And you guys are gonna be like, no, that's not small. Shut up. It's fine. Yeah. And then, don't fuck it up. And then I'm making like a triangle liner. And we're gonna go ahead and fill that in. I do my eyeliner differently every day. So I don't know where we're going for. So far, it's like this. Start aligning the rest of the eyeball. Welcome in. Okay, so we have this going on right now. So when I look forward, like, I have semi-hooded eyes because of my eye condition, so we're just gonna trace it a little bit. And it'll create like a very little bat wing effect. The liner's thin, but that's fine because we're gonna be doing a lot of graphic liner on the top, so I don't want it to be too bottom heavy and like erase the entire eyeshadow that we just created. For the graphic liner, we're going to go ahead and trace a line where our eyeshadow ends and drag out like such. Following this like angular situation we got going on, I'm gonna go from the bottom and swipe up like such. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do the inner corners. Just a cute inner corner moment. So here's the deal. I was gonna leave it like this, but I've decided against it. Sorry. And I just have the urge to connect these 3 lines, and I think it's gonna be slay, you know? We're gonna go ahead and connect these liners. So right in the middle, we're gonna create an hourglass shape as such and fill in accordingly. And we're gonna keep swooping and dooping. What does that mean? I'm so sorry. And we're gonna do the same thing here. Where this is at, we're gonna go scroll down. All right, I live chronically on the internet, I guess. And we're gonna create another hourglass shape and fill in. That looks so badass, doesn't it? That's so super sexy slay. Okay, we're gonna do the other side. Once again, we're gonna go ahead and create an hourglass shape and fill in. We're going in with the Moira gel pencil liner, and we're gonna put it in the waterline. So if you don't like eye stuff, I will be tugging on my waterline. Just a little trigger warning. I'm gonna go ahead and apply right here. Dipping into the City Color Aquatic Fix. I'm gonna take that liner and I'm just gonna go ahead and create just the tiniest line. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side. We're just gonna go ahead and underneath as well. Yeah, we'll just leave that. And that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I had a ton of fun creating it. If you haven't done so already, I am a full-time makeup streamer, so make sure to follow me on Twitch, as well as TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.